Good morning. My name is Jeff Farr, and I'm the broker-owner of a real estate franchise here in Southern California. I just had to jump in the studio today and reach out to all the entrepreneurs and business owners to tell you about PlanGuru forecasting software. Whether you're just now forecasting for a new business or are a seasoned professional managing your budgets and forecasting for years to come, this software solution by PlanGuru, in my opinion, is the best on the market. Now, I'm not a paid spokesman, but with the amount of time saved and the increased accuracy of my financials, it is like my dad taught me. Money saved is money earned. I have owned and operated a variety of businesses over the years and have always just used Excel spreadsheets to get the job done. Understand, I love Excel, but the time and effort spent trying to forecast and verify that all the formulas match and they flow correctly always has been a nightmare. PlanGuru allows me to budget, forecast, and plan any number of departments and or projects within a few keystrokes. I'm able to update my non-financial data or my drivers, enter in my expenses and revenues, and then insert any number of new estimates within minutes, which used to take me hours. No matter what industry you are in or planning on working in, PlanGuru is the simplest and most accurate way to budget, plan, and forecast your business. They offer 2 plans to get you up and running. I chose their launch program, and I'm so glad that I did. They built all my initial models for me so that all I had to do is get in and start working. I strongly encourage it, and it is yet another time saver and well worth the nominal fee. I'm just so pleased with the software that a written review wouldn't be enough to say how excited I am to use the product. Thank you, PlanGuru. I wish everyone the best in your endeavors and all of your forecasts come true.